Hello, my name is Jordan with the Dr. Joel Kaplan Company. I'm here today to walk you through how to use our new Auto GRO Pump system safely and effectively. If you're looking for a portable, rechargeable, and whisper quiet pump system that delivers powerful results, you're in the right place. Now let's get started. First, open your package and familiarize yourself with the components. Inside, you'll find a velvet bag with your constriction rings and leather strap, your cylinder, the instruction manual, and finally, the Auto GRO Pump. Before your first use, plug in the pump with the included USB cable and make sure it's fully charged. The Auto GRO Pump has 3 buttons below the display screen. The power button in the middle, the decrease pressure button on the left, marked with a minus symbol, and the increase pressure button on the right, marked with a plus symbol. To turn on the pump, hold the power button for 3 seconds. Once the screen powers on, take a moment to review the display. The top left shows your battery life. Below that is your target pressure level, measured in inches of mercury. The next line displays the current pressure output by the pump, and at the bottom, you'll see a session timer to track your pumping duration. Once you're familiar with the controls, it's time to connect the pump to the cylinder. Insert the pump connector into the cylinder connector on top of the cylinder. If it doesn't fit immediately, press the metal button at the top of the cylinder connector until it clicks into place. Before you begin pumping, ensure a proper vacuum seal by trimming or shaving pubic hair so the cylinder makes full contact with your skin. Apply a water-based lubricant to both your penis and to the base of the cylinder for a comfortable and secure seal. For best results, place your already erect or semi-erect penis inside the cylinder. If you're unable to achieve an erection beforehand, don't worry. The pump will stimulate blood flow to help create one. With your penis inside the cylinder, press the increase pressure button to reach your target pressure level. As pressure builds, you'll see your erection grow as blood fills the tissue. One important thing to note is that if you feel any pain or discomfort, immediately reduce the pressure to a comfortable level or completely release the pressure. To lower the pressure, press the decrease pressure button multiple times until you reach a comfortable pressure level. To release the pressure completely, press and hold the decrease pressure button for 3 seconds. If you're following the recommended pumping protocol, keep the pump running until your session timer reaches the suggested duration. At that point, hold the decrease pressure button for 3 seconds to release all pressure and complete your session. And that's it. With regular use, the Auto GRO Pump system can help you achieve your desired results. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to a member of our team via our website, drjoelkaplan.com.